Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Akrele, aka also Mike. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your demo trading account on tradingview.com. This is a series that I started on Tradingview on how you can use tradingview.com. And if this is your first time, be sure to check the link of the previous video in the description section of this video so that you get to understand what I am doing. All right. So now the first thing you want to do is, of course, you need to log in. And I believe by now you already know how to log in. I already taught you in the previous video. So make sure you watch it if you haven't. So now once you're logged in here, so the next thing you want to do here is to come down here and click on paper trading. All right. All right. So click on this trading panel. All right. Now you come down here. Can you see this place? I'm hovering on paper trading. All right. So click on paper trading. This paper trading, click on it. All right. Then you can see it brings out connect. So click on connect. All right. And yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see you now have your trading demo account set up right here. You can see with the account balance of 100,000 US dollars. All right. You can see it. You just view your equity and the profit and loss is here. So you can see these are your positions, orders, history, account history, trading journal. The reason why I decided to use this new account is simply because, for the first time you are doing this, you need to uh, use this paper trading and just, go through this flow that I just explained to you. All right, guys. So how do you set up, if you want to open an order, all right, it's also easy. All you have to do is just a minute. Let me scroll back up. So now, how do you minimize this? All right, so that I can go back to your chart. It's very simple. Just click on this minimize button here, right? So, and we are back up here, guys. You can see that. So now, if you want to take a trade, let's say you already made your analysis, and you want to enter the market. It's very simple. So just come here. You can see, click on trade. Okay. So you can see immediately I click on trade, it brought out uh, this market setup, right? So you can see here, I think it's an order already. Yeah, it's an order. So you have market order, you have limits, you have stop limits, right? So most of the time I like to use market if I'm swapping, if I'm just taking quick trades, you understand? If this is the order setup. So if you want to buy in now, this is the quantity of BTC you want to buy. If it is one, you put it here, and if it is 0.00, so put it here. So this is your take profit. So you click it so that it comes out. All right, as you can see here. So this is the price that you want to take the profit. All right, and if you also want to set stop loss, you also put your price there. You understand? Then the percentage. So if you want to use the percentage, right, the percentage of the profit you want to take. Probably you want to take 100%, you put it there, right? Or if you want to set just 50% percentage, maybe if you want to split it, maybe to two, you can take 50%, at the first target, and then you understand what I'm trying to say. Then, so the same thing here, stop loss, you understand? So, just test things out, guys, just test things out, all right? So, I think that's all you need to know for now. Then if you want to use limits, you can also click on this place, set it to limit, and use this for your limit order. All right. So set the quantity here and the price. Put the price there as well. So I think those are just the most important things to know. And of course, you can explore it, guys, and explore it. So set your take profit and stop loss as well. Then click on buy. And it's going to buy. So guys, I believe this video is helpful in locating uh, all these functionalities and features on Trading and also how you can set up your demo trading account. So guys, I believe this is helpful on how you can set up your demo trading account on TradingView. And of course, if you have any other questions, please drop it in the comment section, of course. And if there's any other thing you want me to do for you, make sure you put it in the comment section, right? And ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you not miss any of other videos on this series that I already started, all right? So thank you very much. Make sure you also share this video. Yes, very important. Share it with another one of your friends, at least one of your friends, so that you get to know how to use tradingview.com. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.